Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the dictionary or the define tool in Google Docs to get a better understanding of any unfamiliar words or new vocabulary. So I have a sample document pulled up right here, and what we're going to do is highlight a word that we want to have defined for us. So I'll select one here, and then I'm going to click the tools button, and then I'm going to go to where it says dictionary. Now, if you are more of a keyboard shortcut person, the keyboard shortcut for this tool is Control Shift Y. So that's the other way that you can utilize it. And if you look over here at the right, a little sidebar pops up and it has my definition there. So if I wanted to change it to a different word, I can highlight it. And maybe, there we go. All right. And I can do Control Shift Y and it will update to give me a definition for that word. So this is a really helpful option to show your students if maybe they want to have quick access to this type of definition tool while they're working through a new reading or resource, and just another resource they have at their disposal when they're using any resources that you've created or you've pulled from other websites.